Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat, you're watching iGyaan, and today we're going to be quickly unboxing and taking a first look at the OnePlus 60 McLaren Special Edition. So let's get started. We've all seen leaks and numerous rumors for the device. This video is going to end all those rumors. This is the McLaren edition OnePlus 60. Now there's quite a lot of changes in terms of specifications, but some basic design features of the phone remain quite identical. So this is what the box looks like. It's a really nice finished box. We've got the McLaren colors, the black and the yellow, right on the box itself. You can see that salute to speed is their slogan, and they're using that throughout. So I'm going to quickly unbox this. The price has been removed from the box, but we'll leave the exact price along with links to buying this device in the description below. So once we open the box, the first thing you'll see inside the box is a booklet. Now this booklet has a hidden Easter egg feature inbuilt, and I'm going to show you that a little later. Also within the booklet is the phone itself. So I'm going to open this flap up, and right there you'll be able to see the device. So on the front it looks almost identical to the OnePlus 60, no difference there. But if you flip it around, you can see that it's got a really nice design. You can see the McLaren branding over there at the bottom, and you also have a little yellow rim on the bottom edge of the phone, which looks nice. What's also interesting is the glass does have a carbon fiber finish, so there is a pattern behind it. Now if you open the box up further, you do get this sort of plaque that will tell you that you have the McLaren MCL33 edition carbon fiber, and this carbon fiber has been handcrafted in England. It is a piece of carbon fiber that is actually used in the cars, so that's really nice. If I go further in, there's a paper box that really has no purpose, and another box inside which does include the documentation, a little bit about what Pete has to say, a never settle sort of speech. And you also get the SIM ejector tool, some safety information, and a guide on how the in-display fingerprint sensor works. Also inside the box now is a 30-watt charger. OnePlus is calling this the Warp Charge, and it gives you 50% charge in just 20 minutes. And to use this adapter, which in fact is a McLaren co-branded adapter, you can see the black and yellow design over there. And to use this adapter and to get the warp charging features, you'll also have to use the dedicated cable, which also comes in the McLaren Racing black and the McLaren yellow. So this is the warp charging cable, and only with that and a combination of the charger, you'll be able to charge your phone for up to 50% in just 20 minutes. Also included inside the box is a dongle. Now this is a standard USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle, and that is basically everything that's inside the box of the McLaren OnePlus 60. Now once you start to set up your phone, you'll see that you can quickly set up your in-display fingerprint sensor. The process is more or less the same as last time. You do get some features that you can set up, including gestures, but the minute you finish your setup, you'll see a salute to speed discovery option, and once you enable that, it will enable the McLaren AR, and this is where the Easter egg in the book that I showed you earlier comes in. Once you flip through the book with the AR app loaded, you'll be able to see lots of content from McLaren and OnePlus's launches directly on the book itself. This is really cool, and for people who are McLaren fans, this is unique locked content that is available right on the book through the phone. This is really interesting. Of course, it does have audio as well, and the video is also exclusive to this. There is also a full page video that comes on the last page. So if you flip over to the last page, you'll have to put your phone in landscape mode, and you'll be able to see a sort of full 2-page video playing, which will give you all the details and information you need. The OnePlus 60 McLaren edition also has Oxygen OS 9.0.9. So it does bring some changes, including the about screen, which is completely different now. It's laid out in more of a grid format, and you can see all the specifications of the phone in a much more detailed manner. What's also interesting is that this is just a minor software update, and most likely this is going to be coming to the other OnePlus 60 devices as well. The OnePlus 60 McLaren edition is only going to be available in the 10GB RAM and the 256GB storage variant. You will still get dual SIM capabilities as you would with any OnePlus 60, and most of the specifications apart from the changes in RAM remain exactly the same. The other additional thing is the fast battery charging that OnePlus is calling Warp Charge, which gives you 50% battery life in just 20 minutes, which is much faster than dash charging, which gave you about 50% in half an hour. The OnePlus 60 McLaren edition also has a few wallpapers along with some sounds that are preloaded on the device. There is a McLaren ringtone on the OnePlus 60 as well, along with a live wallpaper that looks really nice when you unlock the device. Like I mentioned, the in-display fingerprint sensor is also exactly the same, and the setup process along with things like Face ID, smart gestures are exactly the same as the OnePlus 60. So there you go guys, this was the OnePlus 60, the McLaren edition. It's interesting to see lots of tie-ups. This is usually the time where OnePlus releases a phone with a tie-up. We've already seen the Avengers edition and now the McLaren edition. What do you guys think about the phone? Let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions or queries, if you'd like us to tell you something specific in the full review, do let us know that in the comment section below as well. If you like this video, if you liked our quick look, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.
I don't know if what we had was just a waste of time. You got 70,000 friends, but I am one of them.